What's going on, guys? We're here in Vegas. Me and my fiance Stephanie. We're here for the Mr. Olympia competition, and this is our first prep on like a trip. And when you're on prep, you really can't deviate from your diet. So what we did is we flew in to McCarthy Airport, and then right after we got a rental car, we hit up the Super Walmart, which is probably the best place to get your ultimate budget kind of food. So right now we got 12 pounds of tilapia, cooking it up. Right now I'm on a strict sodium diet, so what we do is we get a lot of Mrs. Dash seasonings, as well as just seasoned pepper, lemon juice, a little bit of hot sauce, and we try to sprinkle that all over the fish, and also dice the fish with lemon juice, so it sort of tenderizes, it soaks into the fish. Yeah, fish isn't the most enjoyable thing to eat, but when you have to tighten up your skin, it's usually the best thing, especially close to a show. And it's a lighter kind of protein, so it digests easier, and it's not a lot of like additives and like preservatives in it, as well as like when you get like a lot of frozen chicken, you add a lot of chicken broth into it to soaking it up, puff it out. Not really the best thing.
So what temperature should you bake fish at?
What I usually try to do is, because I hate to sit around and wait for this damn thing to cook for like 30 minutes. So I'd usually put it at 415 on bake, wait till it's ready, obviously preheat it, and then I just load the pans up with fish. That will probably cook within 23 to 25 minutes, perfectly tender, perfectly juicy. And the cool thing about adding lemon juice into these dishes is it sort of makes like a broth at the bottom. So it sort of steams into the fish, it sort of tenderizes it, and makes it really good and soft, not dry and yucky. So,
what type of fish are you having?
we're having tilapia today. It's the cheapest, most economic whitefish you can buy. I also like to purchase swai, which is a white roughy in other terms. Really affordable, really tasty. Swai is a seawater fish, very relative to the orange roughy, which is more expensive and very popular in the bodybuilding world to eat. But white roughy is just as good, just as tasty, and it's a lot more economic.
How much was the fish at Walmart? Was it fresh or frozen?
These come frozen. That's why they're a lot cheaper. This whole bag of tilapia, 64 ounces, was $11. Really can't beat that on a budget, especially when you're traveling. Gets the job done. Yes, it's farm raised, whatever, but hey, it's food. Sometimes you gotta pound it in. Right now I'm eating about 3 pounds of fish per day, as my coach is requiring me to. So really can't afford to go to Whole Foods and buy the top quality, wild fish. Can't really do that. I have to watch the budget. So we'll pop these in. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Alright everyone, after 25 minutes, put it in for a little bit longer. The fish came out nice. Look how nice and tender it is. Before I put it in, I put some diced scallions on top. A little oniony flavor. That's pretty much how it looks. Pretty damn good, I'd say. And it will turn out very fluffy like so. See how moist that is? That's how you want fish to come out. Okay, so it's breaking apart like this. That's how you want it. It's breaking apart. See? Very fluffy. Let it sit like that a little bit, and then we're going to use one of these as a storing dish. Clean this out so we can have an extra few to cook with. And that's it. Bon appetit. Oh yeah.